will talk about only logs today. This is a project that we have at Renuo. The idea is very, very simple. You already have log files in your Rails application. You already have them. So for your very small project that you are just getting started, you probably don't really need any external service where to stream your logs. You can just use the log file that you already have. If you want to call it differently, you can think about it as solid logs. This is probably a term that everyone understands here. And here I made a very quick demo on how to set it up. You, of course, just invoke cloud and say install only logs. There is even a skill dedicated to just add this gem to your gem file. This I sped it up at 4x just to show you how you do it. I placed Blue Sky and Twitter on the side. Of course, Twitter is on the right and Blue Sky on the left. And here, after about 10 minutes, it added the gem successfully. And here it is, it works. After a couple of minutes more, it also mounts the engine. So you can now navigate into /onlylogs into your Rails app. Here I slow down again. And here are your logs. You can see your development.log file. Of course, this is hand in production. It comes with basic auth by default. And here you see that when I change something, well, I messed up the zoom here, but when you navigate your website, you have logs, you can search, and you can use regular expressions. This is it. It seems simple, but this fit the requirements that we had for our applications. And our requirements are that we want to use regular expressions. The search doesn't actually need to be instant. It's okay to wait a few seconds. We want to store the logs in any format, so we don't want to follow a specific format for the log lines, and we want to store them for as long as we want. Why searching via regular expressions? Because you can do everything with regular expressions. They are cool. You can search for a certain request ID, and now you will magically have all the log lines of a certain request. You can search in a time range. You can even search for errors or exceptions or specific exception types. So you almost have an error monitoring system, maybe. You can even do analysis of performance if you want and see what is fast and what is slow. Well, this is the project. It's very simple. If you want to try it out, go on GitHub, give it a star. Thank you very much.